driver.
Just
No,
very...
I'm fine. Thank you.
No, let's sort that out.
We should check on the others.
Is everybody all right down here?
Calm down, just
Madam,
leave it.
you all right? Take a seat for me, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, apologies once again for the delay.
What's happening? I've tried knocking.
Tony!
No sign.
Hello, we seem to have broken down just outside. Looking for some advice on how to proceed, over.
Okay?
Yeah, fine, come on down.
I'll hold you up.
I'll keep on him.
Bliss.
We all stick together, please. Right, if you mind you step out, stick together, please.
Got the torch there.
I wouldn't mind tracking you. Oh, scary.
Just wait here.
What else? We're not just keep on going.
Get the first aid kit! And water! Bottle! Take everyone! We need to call someone, just get...
Hello? Working earlier.
There's your problem. We're going nowhere till it's patched.